Welcome to this lesson on Facebook business page setup. In this session, you will learn how to create a Facebook business page. You will also understand the preparations required before running ads. You will learn which page elements influence your advertising credibility. Creating a Facebook business page is the first step toward building a strong brand identity. To create a new business page, you open Facebook and navigate to the Pages section. You click Create New Page to begin the setup. You enter your business name, category, and description. Once this information is submitted, your page is officially created. The next step is to add your profile picture and cover photo. Your profile picture usually displays your company logo. Your cover photo highlights your product, service, or brand message. These images help establish trust and brand recognition. You should complete the About section with accurate business information. This includes your website, phone number, business address, and email. You should also include a clear description of what your business offers. Providing complete information increases credibility and improves customer trust. Before running advertisements, several important preparations are required. The first preparation is building basic page activity. Your page should contain posts that introduce your brand and explain your services. A page with no posts appears unprofessional and reduces user trust. The second preparation is ensuring your page complies with Facebook's policies. Your images, content, and information must follow community guidelines. Violating these policies can restrict your ability to run ads. It can also negatively affect your account quality. Another preparation is connecting your page to your business manager. This connection allows you to manage permissions, assets, and ad accounts securely. Without this connection, your page cannot be used effectively for advertising. Now let's evaluate the essential page elements that contribute to advertising credibility. One important element is your profile picture and cover photo. High-quality visuals make your brand appear professional and trustworthy. Your page name and description also influence credibility. They should clearly reflect your brand identity. They should communicate exactly what your business offers. Confusing or incomplete information can reduce trust. Your About section is another credibility factor. Accurate contact details and business hours increase trust. A working website link also signals legitimacy. Customer interactions play a role in credibility as well. Pages with likes, comments, and shares appear more trustworthy to new visitors. Engagement signals that your business is real and active. Regular posting is another key credibility factor. Consistent content shows that your brand is active. A page with fresh posts creates a positive impression for people who click your ads. Your call to action button is also essential. Buttons like Shop Now, Learn More, or Contact Us guide visitors to take action. A strong call to action supports your advertising goals. In summary, creating a Facebook business page involves setting up your brand identity. It requires completing your essential business information. It requires preparing your page before launching ads. Credibility is built through visuals, information accuracy, engagement, and consistent posting. By understanding how page setup influences advertising results, you can create a strong and trustworthy brand presence. This foundation will support all your future Facebook advertising campaigns. In the next lesson, we will start Module 2, Audience Targeting and Campaign Planning. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.